Hey babes, what's up and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that have never seen this face before, welcome. My name's Kianna. I go by Kianna Nichole on YouTube and Instagram if you care to check it out. So today I have for you yet another wig. Today's video is sponsored by Nichole. I will leave all of their store information and links down below. Today we are looking at this beautiful blonde unit. And you guys know me, I'm typically like pretty natural with it, but I've been kind of straying out of my comfort zone a little bit. So this is a beautiful blonde unit. So it's an ombre blonde unit. It is a synthetic heat resistant fiber. It's 22 inches. And like I said, it's an ombre. So it starts out as kind of like a brown, ashy kind of, not ashy, I use that word too much. It starts out as like a light brown and goes into more of a blonde gradient. And at the bottoms, it's super blonde. So, I will put all the details about the wig below. Like I said, it's 22 inches. As far as cap construction goes, you've got two clips in the front and then extendable straps in the back. It only comes with a about 1 inch parting space as far as the lace goes. And then this is what the part looks like. So I'm pretty impressed by the part, I won't lie to y'all. If you can see, it's really realistic looking, and this color job is just phenomenal. I was just thinking about like how many women I know that tried to get this hair color and never achieve it. So very gorgeous. But we're gonna go ahead and pop her on, and we'll just go ahead and show you all the details. Okay guys, so this lovely unit, like I said, it's very soft, very manageable. I love that. I can't get over the color. I think the color alone sells the unit because I'm not really a middle part person. I don't really think I have the most attractive face shape for a middle part unless it's my natural hair, if that makes sense, just because your natural hair just lays a certain way that's different. So I love my natural hair in a middle part. Don't love my hair in a middle part in a wig, but I love the coloring of this wig. Super bouncy, super soft. So yeah, and as far as shedding goes, let me run my fingers through a couple times. Well, I got no hair, but it does shed a little bit. But when I run my fingers through, okay, so one hair came out, so that's pretty good. But again, I want to thank Nichole Hair for sponsoring this video. Okay, what the fuck's in my mouth? I want to thank Nichole Hair again for sponsoring today's video. Thank you for sending me this lovely wig. It's absolutely gorgeous, and I'm glad to add it to my collection. I want to thank you babes all for watching yet again, and I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and yeah.